Hello everybody, I am back with another video. Today I would give you an example of a formal telephonic conversation and another example of an informal face-to-face English conversation between two friends. Now, first of all, let me tell you something related to the first example. That is a formal telephonic conversation. A person called Mr. X one fine morning decides to reach out to a person named Mr. Y during the office hours because Mr. Y is expected to be at the office. Naturally, Mr. X, in order to make the phone call, dials Mr. Y's number. The moment the phone rings, the call is received by the receptionist of the company. And Mr. X, being a very polite and a thorough gentleman, starts his conversation by greeting the receptionist. He says, "Good morning. May I please speak to Mr. X?" The receptionist also greets Mr. X and says, "Good morning to you too. Hold on please, I will put you through." Now when someone puts through a person making a phone call, he makes the connection, allowing the phone call to take place. Then Mr. X says, "Thank you very much." And the receptionist replies, "You are welcome." After a while, the receptionist reverts and says, "I'm extremely sorry to inform you that Mr. Y is not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message for him, sir?" And Mr. X says, "Yes, of course. Could you please tell him that Mr. X called?" "Yes, sir." The receptionist replies, "Definitely, I will let him know." And then Mr. X tries to wrap up the conversation by saying, "Thank you very much and have a great day." The receptionist also ends the conversation by saying, "Goodbye and have a great day too." So this is how we should try to have a formal telephonic English conversation. I hope it is crystal clear to all of you. And now we will move on to an informal face-to-face English conversation between two friends. "Hey, it's me. How are you?" "Hi, I'm fine, and you?" "I'm great. Do you want to go to the cinema tonight? They are showing Twilight. Seems like fun. At what time shall we go?" "They will have a show at around 7 o'clock. "That is perfect. I will buy popcorn and you will buy a drink." "Okay, see you later." "All right, see you in a bit." So that was an informal conversation between two friends. By now, friends, I hope you have a hang of it. Now, before I take your leave for the day, can I ask you something? Have you actually started to converse in English, friends? If so, have you actually committed certain mistakes in the process? If yes, then what are they? Kindly let me know, because I would like to lend my helping hand to you so that you can get them rectified and start afresh. So kindly let me know about your problem areas by texting me through the inbox. Thank you very much.